Hello again and good morning. Yes, it is morning and we have Frustration to Freedom, and we're on episode 130, 130, how to make money and be happy. Now there's a combination for you, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about. So how to make money and how to be happy in marketing. Now the combination is, once you're happy in the business you are running, then you can carry on and you can enjoy exactly what you're doing. If it's a fact that every time you wake up in the morning it's a case of, oh, I've got to do this, I've got to do that, that will affect your health, that will affect your results, and everything will be worth zero. So you've got to be on the up, so that all the things you go into, all the things you do are of benefit to you, and everything increases your happiness, therefore increases your income. So with that combination in mind, that is what you got. Now, we already have the new business. We know the business that we're looking for. We know the business is internet marketing, and what we need now is the correct mindset. Now, not everyone can or will do what you're doing, setting up a business. Now, that's the big thing. It's not everyone that can actually do it. So you've got to think that what you're doing is different. Of course it is. You're achieving something, and this is exactly what we're here to do. In the simplest form, it's a way of making money. In our case, we're going to start with the easiest way, which is internet marketing, because everything is set up for us. The whole procedure is there. All it is, we have to go and take action. And this is how you make the money: by no buildings or rent, nothing to build, no stock required to set up, none or limited staff. So from the fact of internet marketing, this is why it is the easiest way to get going, rather than having all those other problems. And then you got to go and plead with the bank manager for your overdraft and everything else. Now, to be happy is so simple. If you're happy in what you do, then work becomes a pleasure. Marketing is simply a means of showing your customers what you can do and how you can help them. You make the offers for the customers, and then the customers can receive those. We already in a winning website and a system. Now we need the plan and the correct mindset. Then it's a case of taking action to gain your goals. There's my goals over there, and yours would be very close to you as well. Goals are never ending. You can achieve them every day. So you make your goals so that you can achieve them easily. Not these massive things 50 years away or 10 years away. We want something by the end of the week. We want something by the end of the month. And therefore you can achieve things and go click, 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 and you simply go through those individual goals. Now, you have the directives. If you remember the directives which we had, so we can simply go to our directives, and we have, yes, right, there's our site, and here's our directives. Only act with reason. Only compete with yourself. Only react positive to every situation. Only build value. All of these become common sense to us once we start repeating them, and once we go on a little bit further. Only have integrity. Only give with reason. Don't give things away. You give them away, yes, but for a reason. To get someone to come onto your site or whatever it is. Embrace losing. Never expect free help. Realize the power of goal setting. We do and we will. Use positive internal questions. Never brag about your achievements. Talk about profit. Talk privately about success. Now, these are all the different things. Now, we are going to train our minds, and this is what we've got to do. We've got to train our minds in the fact of what we want to achieve. Now, training your mind is a very simple thing, and it's something that we are going to do. And the first thing is you set simple little things, simple tasks, like you set your alarm in the morning. And when the alarm goes off, you get up straight away. Most will bang, hit it, and take that extra 10 minutes. Now, later on, we don't want to do that. We simply want to get up straight away. And once you train your mind, then you'll be awake before the alarm goes off. You're anticipating what's going to happen. And this is the way your mind is starting to work. It's more or less working before you're thinking. But remember, everything we said and everything we did, it's putting it into your inner mind. So we have the subconscious, which has all the information. You've told it so many times. That's why we've been reading these things twice a day. That goes into your subconscious, so therefore it needs just simply a word to trigger something, and pop, you're up, you're on. You know exactly where you're going. And that's the sort of thing we've got to do. We deal with all of that. So it's not an impossibility, it's practical, and it's the sort of thing that we're going to do. Now, we have our website, we have our Wealth Academy, we have all of these things, your back office, all the information, and now we've actually got a new updated version into this system, so that all of these things are there for us to work with. And it's so straightforward. All we have to do is, as it says here, your mind is anticipating, you and your body and mind are one. Now, as soon as you get up, repeat the list of goals. Now, this is the next thing here, are these statements. The statements. Read your goals, accelerate it. Reading my goals accelerates me further towards achieving them. I can do anything I set my mind to. Everything is open to me. Visualize your goals list. Your day has started. Your goals list is your future. Your goal is your future. Everything is there. So that's exactly what we got to do. We've got to work on these things, and success is right in front of you. Success, the mindset, the focus, it's all there. All the best, my friends.